All right, man, just one hit, you scavenger. Always come around.
He makes Brian Gumbel look like Malcolm X.
The evidence you're looking for is here, all right. Ashtrays, being open to view and easy of access, are logical places to use your eyes for evidence of marijuana violations. And the logical evidence to look for is a partly consumed marijuana cigarette. One that has been partly smoked is called a roach. It burns unevenly and generally ends up as a scorched, irregularly burned butt. Note this burned hot spot in the paper. Unrefined marijuana, called unmanicured, often contains seeds. Marijuana seeds burn very hot, often exploding like tiny bombs in the paper. These bomb craters are clearly visible even at a distance to those who use their eyes. Marijuana has a sweet, musty odor that is easy to identify. Knowing this, pot smokers often try to hide the telltale fragrance of grass smoke by burning incense in the room. Therefore, the presence of incense or fact, once marijuana use has been established, every kind of humidor or container that looks suspicious should be closely inspected for marijuana residue. This is a $100 block of hashish, a stumbling block that may trip unsuspecting marijuana smokers and send them tumbling into the horrors of hard narcotic addiction. Imported from narcotics-producing nations abroad, this concentrated, mind-warping substance is, by volume, 8 to 10 times as potent as marijuana grass. Hashish does not burn like tobacco. It smolders slowly like 4th of July punk when lighted. Consequently, a very small amount will get a smoker very high.